Hi, this is Priyan from Hactronics India. In this video we'll look into the smoke alarm. So basically this is the smoke alarm which is operated by the 9-volt battery. It comes in a pre-assembled kit form. So basically this is a slot sensor with a transmitter and receiver, and whose sensitivity can be adjusted using this pot. So when smoke fills in the space between this space in the transmitter and receiver, it will turn on this LED and the buzzer. So instead of smoke, we'll just use some paper. So as you can see, when there is an obstruction between the transmitter and receiver, and the amount of signal received by the receiver decreases, it automatically turns on the buzzer and the LED. So this was the brief introduction of our smoke alarm sensor. Thanks for watching.